For extreme hair growth, apply this twice a week. This match remedy can work on many different types of hair loss problems, whether it's autoimmune, nutritional, or even an overgrowth of some type of fungus or pathogen, and you're going to be using this hair oil. I'm going to show you how to supercharge that recipe to take it to the next level. Now, let's get into it. Start with one onion and chop it into small pieces. Onions contain sulfur compounds, and sulfur is an important part of hair structure. Hair needs strength from the root all the way down the strands, which is why onions have become a popular ingredient in natural hair care routines. Next, grab about 3 garlic cloves and chop those into small pieces too. Garlic is packed with beneficial compounds and antioxidants that support scalp health. Now pour in your olive oil. Olive oil helps moisturize the hair and scalp while helping reduce dryness. Next, add your rosemary, because it's known for supporting healthy-looking, fuller hair while helping keep the scalp in good condition. Place a towel at the bottom of your pot before setting up your double boiler. Let it infuse for 30 minutes, then take it off the heat. Part your hair into sections and apply the oil directly to your scalp. Gently massage for 3 to 5 minutes to help distribute the oil and stimulate the scalp. Leave it on for about 2 hours, then wash it off with a mild shampoo.